Hi there, my name is Gudulego Tunzi. I'm a founder, project manager, and developer at Olround Tech. Olround Tech is an innovation company where we apply different technologies to solve different problems. We offer services in software development and hardware development. For our software development services, we develop software solutions for a business that can help to automate certain processes with data management, data analysis, and also reporting. These reporting techniques can help you to make better decisions within your business. For hardware development, we divide it into electronics and 3D printing. For electronics, developing a device. What kind of device? A device that will perform a particular function in a field. This function can be in a form of monitoring, sensor readings, and control or automated processes. We then able to move from have a prototype, and then from having a prototype to move to a commercial design product that can be deployed in the field. We then incorporate our electronics with 3D printing, where we're able to develop customized enclosures for our devices that have been developed. Should there be any need that you think Olround Tech can solve within your business, don't be afraid to send us an email at info@olroundtech.co.za, then we can have a conversation. You can check more on our website that what we do at www.olroundtech.co.za. At Olround Tech, we never stop innovating. Thank you.